Assalamu alaikum, Nazreen.
Are we on air? Are we live?
Yeah, we're on air, man.
All right.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Again, I'll restart.
Sorry.
Assalamu
Sorry
alaikum,
about that.
Nazreen.
Sorry about
Anything
that.
else you want to say?
No, man,
Okay.
I'm good. I just
One final time. Assalamu alaikum, Nazreen. Welcome
Don't
to our
drink
show, The
caffeine.
Mastane. I'm your
Don't
host,
drink-
Abdullah Ghari, Urf Mr. Biryani, and this guy is...
Harun Qureshi, Mr. Karahi.
Yeah.
Don't ever drink coffee on an empty stomach, man.
अच्छा आज हम कुछ सीरियस बात करने जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
I know in most of our episodes, the ones you've watched or not previously,
That's right. We're just not
थोड़ी
serious.
comedy ज़्यादा करते हैं, लेकिन this is a very serious topic.
Yeah.
And before I get into the topic, I just want to paint a little picture, give you a backstory. 2001. It's September 10th, not 11th, 10th.
11th.
September 10th की रात है.
Oh, 10th. Sorry. Yeah.
अल्ताफ हुसैन साहब के घर पे एक दावत हुई. 10th की रात.
ये तुम्हें कैसे पता?
मैं वहीं था.
अच्छा.
उन्होंने बाहर से हलीम मंगवाया था.
ये तुम्हें ये तक पता है?
मैंने भी खाया था ना.
अच्छा, तुमने भी खाया?
गोश्त
कैसा था वैसे उसका?
नहीं, अब वही मैं बताने वाला हूँ.
अच्छा.
अल्ताफ हुसैन साहब ज्यादा खा गए.
वो तो नजर आता है वो.
उस दिन और भी ज्यादा खा गए थे.
अच्छा. मतलब फटने वाले थे वो.
फटने वाले थे. सुबह उनका पेट खराब हुआ.
अच्छा.
सुबह के 9 बजे.
ये सबको पता चला, क्योंकि ऐलान हो गया था कि उनका पेट खराब हो गया.
सुबह, बल्कि दोपहर में, जब इंग्लैंड में दोपहर थी, सुबह न्यूयॉर्क में 9 बजे थे, तो एक धमाके की आवाज आई.
धमाके की आवाज आई?
जी.
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा.
And then you all know what happened on September 11th.
So that's September 11th. I just want some clarity. So what happened on the 11th of September where so many people died, it was because he ate Halim the night before.
Yes.
That
At least what we heard, what the banging noise that we heard.
That seems to be very
big bang,
substantiated
big
reports and proper sources that we're getting this from, that it's the Halim that caused September 11th.
अभी आप खुद ही सोचें, why doesn't he ever come to the US? उनको क्यों वीजा क्यों नहीं मिलता?
He did it by accident. It wasn't anything. It was innocent.
वैसे भी उनको एक वीजा तो काफी नहीं होगा, उनके लिए तो 2 वीजास चाहिए होंगे. You'll need 2 airplane seats, 2 visas.
वो cargo plane भी वो fit नहीं होंगे.
2 passports at least.
हाँ.
But that was not our topic. Our topic is 9/11.
I was going to say
what happened at 9/11. Al-Qaeda, जिसको लोग दाइश भी कहते हैं. I think there's a bunch of names. A bunch of names. कोई nickname भी है, कोई उनका जो मुझे नहीं पता. बहरहाल Al-Qaeda के 3 हेड थे. 3 सर थे. जी. This is what I learned recently, and I'll tell you why we're talking about this today. Osama bin Laden का तो आपने सुना ही है. Bin Laden. Khalid Muhammad, Sheikh Khalid Muhammad was the other guy. But the third head honcho was...
Sheikh Khalid Muhammad is where right now?
अब वो अल्लाह को प्यारे हो गए.
अल्लाह को प्यारे.
He's pretty to God.
Are we sure he's going up there? Or?
Yeah. He
was a good dude, man. He was a really good dude.
He was a good dude.
He was a good dude.
But that's... and the third guy, let me finish. The third guy, Ayman al-Zawahiri.
Can I say that name?
थोड़ा अरबी accent में.
Ayman
al-Zawahiri.
Zawahiri.
हाँ.
Zawahiri.
Zawahiri का मतलब होता है जवाहर से निकला है, यानी कि jewels. So this guy was a real gem.
This guy was a gem.
No pun intended. Here's what I want to ask, because the reason we're talking about this today is because recently, about a week ago, the US intelligence, after 21 years almost, hunted this man down and killed him.
What?
Yes. Osama bin Laden was apparently assassinated in Pakistan 10 years ago.
Apparently.
हाँ. वो तो ऐसा ऑपरेशन आप सबको याद होगा कि जल्दी से गए, उसको जो कुछ करना था किया,
दावत पे गए,
उसको समंदर में फेंक भी आए.
हाँ. So that was a very Muslim, very Islamic ritual in terms of...
Sheikh Khalid Muhammad was then killed 3 years after bin Laden. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये Mr. Karahi, इनको अल-जवाहिरी को ढूंढने में 21 साल क्यों लग गया आपके ख्याल से? What happened? Isn't this the CIA we're talking about?
The CIA we're talking about. I mean,
क्या हो सकता है?
You know, they can... these are people that can pinpoint an ant on a pahad.
Exactly. That's why these questions arise in my head.
So what took? Why did it take 21 years to do that? I mean, obviously, I thought the CIA and different forces like Black Ops and whatnot, they have Nintendo-like resources to wipe people out. You could be standing, I could be sitting right next to you like we are right now. We can have someone attack you from the CIA, kill you, and
I see a red dot on your forehead.
I'm worried about that. Well, I'm actually thinking about converting to a different religion, but so
sniper वगैरह ना हो कहीं.
Yeah, why not? I mean, I was trying to be funny. That was really stupid what I just said. So just don't mind that. But I was going to say that if that thing hit you, I wouldn't even be affected by that.
I wouldn't even know.
That's how specific they are with respect to their weaponry.
21 साल क्यों लग गए क्या? I mean, this guy's like James Bond. He's been running away from the CIA apparently for 21 years. और अभी भी मुझे लगता नहीं है कि ये मरा है. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई ये तो मर ही नहीं रहा.
James Bond नहीं है, Gin Bond है.
Gin Bond है. कि भाई ये तो we can't even hunt him down. Let's just say that we killed him.
That we killed him. Same thing that we did with the other two. Just say that we killed them.
हो सकता है वो अभी बैठे हुए शो देख रहे हो हमारा.
हो सकता है. He could be watching with us. How do you know?
Assalamu alaikum Zawahiri sahab. كيف الحال?
So your question is a very valid question.
Yeah.
I think this is all about opportunity, man. Like, I mean, maybe Biden, if you ever watch Biden, in his press conferences, it looks like he's either fainting or he's drunk or something's wrong with him. He's 800 years old.
Yeah. I think he's already dead.
So he could be dead. Maybe that's somebody else.
वो जो movie थी ना जिसमें the two guys keep taking their dead uncle to different places.
What was that called again?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I forget the name now.
Doesn't matter. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So maybe they understand their situation. They're in dire straits there in America. How about we throw this whole thing out there about this Al-Zawahiri, that we've killed him?
Yeah.
Maybe you feel good about yourselves by doing that. But, okay, anyways.
Yeah, but apparently he was from Egypt.
Yeah.
He was, it says, an Egyptian-born terrorist.
Is that what it says on Wikipedia?
Yeah. And a physician. तो हो सकता है माँ की ख्वाहिश हो कि डॉक्टर बन जाए बेटा. अब्बा ने कहा कि नहीं बेटा बड़े होकर टेररिस्ट बनना और 9/11 में जरूर इन्वॉल्व होना तुम.
इंशाल्लाह.
और फिर 21 साल तक for 21 years keep running away. And that is a damn good terrorist, man.
That is.
अच्छा हुआ कि डॉक्टर नहीं रहे.
He studied hard. He followed in his father's and his mother's footsteps like nobody's business. That's.
But it's a profession apparently. Egyptian-born terrorist.
Egyptian-born terrorist.
Yeah.
Apparently you have to go to school for something like this, right? You got to take out 4 years.
There's apparently a university in Cairo,
right? Yeah.
That trains people
for doing this, right? According to the CIA, of course, because they know everything.
Al-Zawahiri. But the second thing I wanted to talk about today is
no, but you didn't mention the fact because I got told.
I want to get to that.
Let's get to the Zawahiri just for a second. How did they kill him? What happened to him?
वो हाँ उसकी details जो हैं I don't know.
Apparently
you know.
No, I was just told just now.
Yes.
Someone, thanks a lot for that. Thank you, because that is very important information.
मुझे भी बता देते यार.
Yeah. Well, yeah, he was actually on his 3rd floor balcony. No, isn't that what you said? Is that what you said? He was on his 3rd floor balcony, and they fired a missile that had certain, I don't know, they were tongs or like certain razors or knives on that missile.
Okay.
And so what that thing does, because this is correct, right? Am I right about that? Yeah. So what they do is they fire that sucker.
Yeah.
And it hits your target and it starts spinning and it cuts you into a whole bunch of you look like, have you ever had sushi? That's what it is.
Sushi roll bana diya.
Yeah, sushi roll bana diya. So that's what they did. And they did it from many kilometers away, and they were so accurate that they got this guy on that 3rd floor balcony. And it goes back to your question about 21 years. You couldn't find him for 21 years, but you found him on the balcony. Yeah, use that stupid thing. So cut him up into chop suey.
Either Zawahiri was having a bad day, or he forgot to attend that course which tells you not to hang out in balconies if you're a terrorist.
That's right.
तो ये कायरो यूनिवर्सिटी को मुझे खत लिखना पड़ेगा कि भाई अपने सिलेबस में
इसने अपने पढ़ाई के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया.
शायद हो सकता है उस मॉड्यूल के दिन वो बीमार हो गया
था. Don't go out there onto the balcony. बच्चे को पता है यार that don't stand out on the 3rd floor balcony when the CIA is firing at you.
तो बेचारे को हो सकता है कोई मंकी पॉक्स हो गया उस दिन. मंकी पॉक्स भी तो फैला है ना.
ये क्या इसलिए उसको मारा है?
नहीं मंकी पॉक्स
कि उसको मंकी पॉक्स हो गया उसे. लेकिन मैंने तो सुना है. I mean, listen, man, you mentioned it to me and Abdullah, didn't you? that monkeypox is. How do you actually attain monkeypox?
I don't even know.
I don't want to get into that because if we start talking about that, we might get ourselves into trouble. But apparently, it's a lovely condition, or it's a lovely disease spread by making love.
अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा स्मूथ है और आपको अच्छी नहीं लग रही तो मंकी पॉक्स हो जाए तो
monkeypox अगर हो जाए तो ये तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा आपके लिए. तो
what I want to know is ये monkey pox का ये नाम किसने निकाला? अच्छा. And this is a story that I've heard. ये इन्होंने बताई मुझे. नहीं
उन्होंने बताया.
उन्होंने बताया कि ये असल में बुश जूनियर को ही थी.
क्या?
So they couldn't think of a name.
Hold on.
They couldn't call it bush pox. So apparently, for some reason or the other, they named it monkey pox.
Is this for real, man?
हाँ, ये सुनने में तो ये आया.
कि bush pox?
bush pox को
उसको bush pox नहीं कह सकते थे. उसको जाहिर सी बात है यार, वो appropriate तो खैर नहीं है. He was the president of the United States, so they called it monkey pox
for 4 years.
So did Zawahiri get monkey pox because of bush pox or like what?
No, Bush got it.
Okay.
Then they termed it monkey pox. Then they probably injected the virus into the missile.
Into the missile.
Which then.
Now this is on actual what's the word I'm looking for, man? Legitimate grounds that we're talking about this. That there were monkeypox in that missile, and it ended up. It defeated the purpose because you cut him up and you made chop suey out of that poor guy's over here. So we didn't really get anywhere with it.
So you bichara, a gem of a guy, Zawahiri, a jewel. Apparently got a jewel.
Oh, sorry, a jewel. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Because I was like, wait a minute. How could that happen?
A jewel of a guy, or a gem of a guy, finally after 21 years,
right,
got taken down by a bandar.
A monkey.
Apparently.
A langur.
एक लंगूर के नजर हो गया.
लंगूर की वजह से.
अंगूर को लंगूर की नजर लग गई.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. तो ये तो लेकिन यार ये जब अपने अंदर जो एक प्राइड या एक ईगो जो बैठ जाता है ना अंदर, then even things that are dangerous, they start looking like langurs and monkeys, and I think that's what he didn't go to school, man. He didn't finish his education on that third floor, the balcony thing.
It's unfortunate. I'm gonna write a letter to the university to
please
include that module
in their
and
studies,
make it a prerequisite to everything else.
Yeah.
क्योंकि balcony पे आप नहीं जा सकते अगर आप एक trained terrorist हैं.
बच्चों को पता है यार कि you don't go on the balcony on the खास तौर पे third floor balcony.
तो आपके घर में जो balcony है आप उसमें मत जाया कीजिए.
यार खैर मेरी तो situation ही अलग है ना. I don't want to get into that, but
खैर वो monkey आपको देख के डर जाएगा.
मैं यही तो आपसे वही अर्ज करने वाला था कि I don't have nothing to fear, man, because fear fears me.
Yeah, we'll keep this one short because we have a guest coming to our show in our next segment. The floor is yours. तो एक break लेते हैं नाजरीन, and we will be right back.
So you tell me that basically what happened was.
Camera.
Sorry. Yeah.
जी.
Yeah. No.
Welcome back, Nazreen, to our show Do Mastane. This is our segment on the floor. आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं.
Pan the camera to here, please.
अरे वो लगता आई नहीं है अभी तक. क्या हो गया भाई वो तो?
नहीं बैठी हैं जो भी हैं मतलब हम बस नजर नहीं आ रहे ना.
नजर नहीं आ रही.
कोई जिन है.
नहीं वो अरे कॉल आ रही है उनकी.
अच्छा.
हेलो. जी माधुरी जी.
माधुरी?
जी. कहाँ रह गई आप? नहीं आपका वो टिकटॉक शो करना था मैं आज.
वो तो रिटायर्ड नहीं है वो. रिटायर्ड वैसे उनको.
अच्छा वीडियो बना रही हैं. अरे वीडियो बना रही हैं.
ना करो. उसे कह रहे हम ही आ रहे हैं.
हाँ हम भी आ सकते हैं.
अच्छा डायल टोन हो गया.
अच्छा नहीं क्या बना रही हैं?
जैसे हेलो.
अच्छा गाना बना रही हैं. गाना बना रही है यार. कौन सा वाला? धक करने लगा. हाँ मेरा भी.
क्या चौरापन जो है ना यहाँ इसकी कोई.
माधुरी जी इसकी बात माइंड मत कीजिए. आप अपना टिकटॉक अपना वीडियो बनाइए. हम संभाल लेंगे. ये यार वो नहीं आ रहे हैं
यार वो क्यों आएंगी जब तुम उनके साथ ऐसी बातें कर रहे हो तो वो क्यों आएंगे?
हम किसको टिकटॉक से किसको लाएं?
यार जिन जो बैठा हुआ है उससे ही बात करते हैं ना.
चलो अरे मैं बैठ जाता हूँ यार.
तुम बैठो जिनको हटाओ उसको.
मेरा भी टिकटॉक है.
अच्छा तुम्हारा हो वो मैं कहने वाला था कि since you're in TikTok.
मेरा भी टिकटॉक है नाजरीन. I have 5.5 followers.
He's got brutal stuff that you see on TikTok. It's horrendous. Nobody wants to watch it.
तो आप लोग प्लीज फॉलो कीजिए मुझे. कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप लोग?
नहीं You see, that's what I'm talking about, man. Look at them.
Well, is it because of him?
No, it's not me, man.
Yeah, man, I told you, man. Just shower today.
They can't smell through the camera,
They
man.
can. I can
It's
smell
not
it.
smell-o-vision, okay?
But
It's you, लेकिन तुम तो बहुत इतने ढीठ हो, तुम इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, okay? Anyways.
audience, people out there, this segment is called "The Floor Is Yours." So the floor is yours, not ours.
It ain't his.
If you guys have a talent that you want to bring to this floor, be it comedy, be it magic, be it acting, singing.
Could be black magic.
Could be black magic. I need some black magic to get rid of certain people in life.
Or is it the other way around?
Please bring your talents to this floor.
No.
We are here every week, and we'd love to meet you. We'd love to have you sit right here, talk about your talent.
I don't know about sitting right there. What do you mean, like on your lap or what? What are we talking about?
क्यों नहीं? जिसको मेरी गोद में बैठना बैठ जाएगी.
Man, I don't know why I said that, man. बात ये है कि ये एक मौका है, एक opportunity है for people that are struggling out there, who are trying to get their name out there, trying to get the different platforms. Here's an opportunity to have this platform, which is a massive platform for you,
yes,
to convey and to illustrate and to express your talents. It's that simple.
Yeah. So please, guys, next week, don't let the seat go empty. आप यहाँ बैठ
That
सकते
was
हैं.
horrible, man.
That was horrible. It's a good seat. It's nice and comfy, by the way.
Yeah.
So next week, आप यहाँ बैठे होंगे.
You know, look at the seats that we're sitting in.
Please contact
Jeez.
us on our email or go to our website, Awaz TV.
It's Awaz TV, right?
And we will be right back with our third segment, Balki Call, Kali Dal.
The Kali Dal, right? The Kali Dal. Thank you. Kali Dal.
Assalamu alaikum, Nazreen. Welcome back to our show, Do Mastane. Welcome back to our show, our third segment of today's show, which is Balki Kal. I don't want to get into it again. I say this.
What's the Kali Dal and yeah.
अगर आपके घर में किसी के घर में इस वक्त काली दाल बन रही है, तो प्लीज इनके मुंह पे फेंक.
सफेद चावल के साथ मतलब व्हाइट चावल, उबले हुए चावल, ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा तड़का लगा
इनको उबाल दीजिए आप चावल.
पता नहीं यार, मुझे I just feel like I just need to eat some dal chawal.
Actually, मेरे ख्याल से मैं इस सेगमेंट का नाम जो है काली दाल तड़के वाली चावल के साथ रखने वाला हूँ.
मुंह में पानी आ रहा है यार.
इन्होंने मेरे बाल की खाल निकाल दी है इस काली दाल के साथ.
क्या करूं यार? It's one of my favorite dishes, man.
Actually, I love काली दाल.
काली दाल, really?
तो in fact, yesterday my dad was over. और वो कह रहे थे कि उर्दू में काली दाल को काली दाल कहते हैं.
अच्छा, काली दाल उर्दू में काली दाल कहते हैं.
नहीं, हम उर्दू में कहते हैं, लेकिन जो बड़े क्या कहते हैं,
अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं?
The scholars, the learned, they call it malka masoor. क्योंकि मसूर की दाल आपने सुना ही होगा. मसूर की दाल is every other dal.
Man, you don't talk.
But this is the queen of dals. Malka is queen and kali dal is actually malka masoor.
Yeah, but the common man has no idea about that. They just call it kali dal for God's sake.
नहीं, actually it's not even kali. देखिए काली जो होता है ना,
काली, it isn't actually काली.
काला है.
ये काला सया हूँ मैं.
ये नहीं, इसकी शर्ट काली है. वैसे तू भी काला है. ये इसकी शर्ट काली है. शर्ट काली है. It's kali dal is actually it's dark brown, man. तो
is it really?
क्यों नहीं dark brown दाल क्यों नहीं कहते? अब now I'm going to take the bal ki khal of this.
No,
of this
but
dal.
he's so literal about everything that he talks about.
नहीं, आप बताइए क्यों काली दाल? ये तो racism.
Technicality होगी.
ये racism है, technicality नहीं है, racism.
अच्छा, मैं जब आए, आपके जब वालिद साहब जब आए, तो ये डिस्कशन हुआ था काली दाल के ऊपर. So when I came, I asked him, because he said he wanted to eat kali dal too, kali dal and chawal, and I said, Dad, what do you call kali dal in English? And he said, kali dal.
Kali dal. Kali dal.
So kali dal.
Kali dal with some
chawal.
pad thai and some egg fried rice. Egg fried rice.
No, that's hey, we didn't mean that. Like that.
I did.
That just. There's something wrong with his tongue. I think he's allergic to something.
काली दाल खाई थी तो उसकी वजह से वो acidity हो रही है. Oh, and speaking of acidity.
What's on the agenda, for the love of God, Mr. Biryani?
We'll do this really quickly. I have some dad jokes, but he doesn't like them.
Oh, they were horrible. And I'm sure all of you, agree.
They loved it, man. They loved it. They love our jokes. They love my jokes.
इसको बड़ी
तो मैंने डैड जोक्स जो हैं
गलत फहमी है.
हालांकि यहाँ लिखे हुए हैं, ये देखिए आप, लिखे हुए हैं.
हमारा जो ना वो गलत फैमिली हो जाएगा.
लेकिन मैंने स्क्रैप कर दी because I got something even worse. I mean, even better than that for you.
Even worse. I'm sure it's just absolutely amazing, riveting stuff that he's got for us. Let's just
Let's hear it. आज हम आपको गाना नहीं सुनाएंगे.
सर मैं जरा फूकता हूँ अपने आप को और आयतुल कुर्सी पढ़ के ना.
आप तावीज पहन के आया करें.
हाँ, मैं ये
तावीज कीजिए आप लोग.
Yes, especially after something like this. तो
usually, ladies and gentlemen, we show you a song and then we dissect that song. आज मैंने सोचा छोड़ो उसको. बहुत dissect कर लिया. हाथ थक गए मेरे यार.
क्या वो साइंटिस्ट हैं क्या वो डॉक्टर्स हैं क्या?
मेरे हाथ कांपने लगे.
रेजिडेंसी में बैठे हैं कि वो डाइसेक्ट ही करते रहते हैं.
So what I thought, let's talk about several Indian songs.
Oh, really?
And somebody quite intelligently has come up with medical terms for Indian songs.
It sounds interesting.
Or Indian songs for medical terms, whichever way you want to look at it.
Okay.
तो पहला गाना है जिया जले जान जले रात भर धुआं चले. That is a sign of fever. जिया जले. It's fever. बुखार. जिया जल रहा है भाई उनका. Her whole body is burning.
Right.
She must have fever.
She's got fever.
Isn't that? You guys don't get it?
That I'm wondering. Did you come up with that on your own, or please tell me you?
I did actually. I'm going to take credit for all of this.
Okay. What's the next one? What is the next? Good God, I'm wondering. I'm bracing myself right now.
अब आप भी let's. I'm going to quiz you guys. Tell me what medical term you would come up for this song. तड़प तड़प नहीं, I'm not going to sing it. तड़प तड़प के दिल से आह निकलती रही. What do you think?
I don't know. I think it could be a seizure. It could be a heart attack.
There you go.
Really?
भाई तड़प रहा है दिल तड़प रहा है आह निकल रही है. आपको जब हार्ट अटैक हुआ था तो क्या हुआ था?
यही हुआ था.
आप तड़प रहे थे.
मैं वो गा के मैं अपने डॉक्टर को समझा रहा था कि भाई ये मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है.
आह निकली थी.
आह निकली थी और बहुत कुछ निकला.
Then it's a heart attack. Next one. सुहानी रात ढल चुकी ना जाने तुम कब आओगे. Constipation.
That makes sense.
आप रात भर बैठे में. You're sitting.
Yeah. ना जाने.
And you're saying, भाई कब आओगे?
I had that problem yesterday.
कब आओगे? तो constipation में कहता है ना आदमी अपने आप से कि भाई आ भी जाओ. Next one. बीड़ी जलाइले जिगर में पिया जिगर में बड़ी आग है. That's
heartburn.
Heartburn.
Am I right?
Yes, that's heartburn. जल रहा है ना, it's burning.
You know what? Why don't you ask me? I like this.
He's loving it now.
I'm beginning to like this. That's heartburn.
और कहो मेरे dead jokes को और बुरा बोलो.
No, this is good. I like this, but this is an exercise now.
This is a quiz.
We've saved ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, we're saving ourselves.
We'll go through them really quickly now. Let's see. Let's do a what is it called?
Word game or word play?
तेजी से. I'll ask you really quickly, and you have to come up with the first.
What is it called? A rapid
round. So next one is for you guys too. तुझ में रब दिखता है यार मैं क्या करूं? Cataract. Cataract.
I was just gonna say cataract.
Yeah, he was. I actually heard him. I heard the inside voice.
The inside voice.
That was something else.
No, that was yesterday's food. Okay.
काली दाल.
काली दाल.
तुझे याद न मेरी आए.
Oh.
किसी से अब क्या?
Oh, I know. That's probably like dementia or Alzheimer's or something. What? Seriously?
I mean, it makes sense, right? याद ही नहीं आ रही. वो उसकी महबूबा है और उसको याद ही नहीं आ रही भाई वो.
ये यार
तो बेचारे को अल्जाइमर ही हुआ होगा.
या फिर वो बहुत समझदार था, वो बहुत अक्लमंद था वो.
Yeah, we're gonna skip the next one. I don't like it.
Why?
Let's see.
I'm liking this now, man.
This next one. No, this one is really good.
Okay.
टिप टिप बरसा पानी पानी में आग लगाई.
I can't answer that one, man.
You probably have that right now. It says urinary tract infection.
Ew.
Or prostate problems.
Yeah, let's.
Okay, we're getting there.
I think at least when we get to that age, or especially when he gets to that, he's gone beyond that age. He's past that point where he's going to have that prostate issue. So
now it just tips.
Yeah, now, but whoever came up with that song, man, they were probably suffering through something where they were in pain when they were peeing.
इतना तो है कि वो जो जिसने भी लिखा, he must have been over 55 easily.
Must be.
Okay.
Oh, man. Okay,
what is this? दिल धड़क धड़क के दिल धड़क धड़क के कह रहा है अभी जा.
Like hyper something.
Yes.
Hypertension.
Hypertension. धड़क रहा है, दिल धड़क रहा है, धड़क धड़क के कह रहा है. आपका भी कह रहा होगा इस वक्त.
Yeah. नहीं. आपको तो heart fail ही हो रहा होगा अभी.
वो लोग उठ के चले गए हैं.
There's nobody there.
I can't see anyone.
Right? So go on to the next one.
Just three
because
more.
they're, you know.
Please, audience, please.
Yeah.
You know,
this is horrible.
This
I know.
is an old song.
Really,
I love
really
this song.
awful, but...
I'm not going to sing it because I'm going to
no, please,
destroy it.
My ears
आजकल पाँव ज़मीं पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे. आजकल पाँव ज़मीं पर नहीं पड़ते मेरे. Corn on feet. आपके corn हो जाते हैं. I don't have it. I don't have that issue yet. But my dad does.
What are you talking about, man?
पैर रखना मुश्किल हो जाता है ज़मीन पे. तो तभी वो गाने वाला ये कह रहा है आजकल मेरे पाँव ज़मीन पे नहीं पड़ रहे भाई. Corn निकल आए मेरे.
We apparently have a lot of time.
भुट्टे निकल आए पैरों में उसके.
On our hands to come up with such creativity.
यार corn निकल आए तो खा लो भाई उसको.
Yeah. Go to the next song. Go to the next song. मेरे तो सांस चढ़ रही है यार.
हाय रे हाय.
मुझे तो anxiety हो रही है.
You know, the next one is this is a good song too. हाय रे हाय. Remember? नींद नहीं आए मौसम दीवाना दीवाना. नींद नहीं आ रही.
नींद नहीं आ रही.
Actually, they could have used.
Oh, नींद नहीं आ रही. You could have used that Bill song too. The नींद ना आए.
Yeah, मुझे नींद ना आए.
Yeah, that's insomnia, bud.
That's insomnia.
Is that right? Am I right?
Yeah, you're absolutely bang on.
These are horrible,
take some
horrible
melatonin,
quizzes
guys.
and exercises.
Take some.
Please, don't tell anyone if you're watching this show. Don't tell anyone to watch this because this is just ridiculous. Anyways, go to the next one.
This is the last one. Last one.
For the love of God.
Last but not least.
Yeah.
पता नहीं छुपाना भी नहीं आता. बताना भी नहीं आता. Piles. It's actually piles is the English term. It's in North America it's known as hemorrhoids. तो जब आपको खुदा ना खास्ता hemorrhoids हो जाते हैं ना, तो वो आपसे ना छुपाए जाते हैं. You can't really when something starts to stick out, it's hard to stick it back in.
That's you know, I'm sure that the people back there are all going, man, I know what he's talking about.
अब आप नहीं ask them.
वो कह रहे हैं हाँ बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं ये दोनों जो है ना ये पागल के बच्चे जो हैं ये बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं ये ऐसा ही होता है मेरे साथ.
आपको या were you enjoying my dad jokes?
I think both were absolutely horrendous. घटिया, वाहियात, बेइंतहा.
I have some more dad jokes by the way.
बस
for next time.
बस कीजिए भाई. बस कीजिए.
बस मेरी जान बस. अब
यार मैं एक बस को लेके आऊंगा ना. I'm going to put it right in front of this our studio over here and that bus is going to take you straight to the पागल खाना.
तुम ट्रक ले आओ. तुम
मैं जहाज ले आऊंगा.
जहाज ले आओ.
अच्छा.
We're already in a पागल खाना. ये जो दुनिया है ना. ये जो दुनिया है ना. ये जो दुनिया है ना. Who am I talking like? I don't sound like anyone.
No, you do sound like someone.
Sunny Deol.
The guy that we just picked up from the insane asylum over there. Yes. That's you. No, that wasn't Sunny Deol. If you want to do something, we'll do impressions on it. Yeah. We really do really good impressions, but not for this show. Yeah. But we will do that.
We'll let you guys live for another week.
Yeah, please.
So,
and
thank you guys for joining us and watching our show. If you were, in fact,
if you were, I don't know why you were.
Right? That's a good question.
So,
but we will be back. Yeah. Whether you watch it or not,
हम इतने बेशरम बेहया बेगैरत हैं हमें कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता.
इनको बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ मुझे तो.
We'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching us again.